Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. With spring in the air, I wanted to do a colorful burst of flowers, a field that represents spring for my pour. And just with those emotions in mind and a vague vision in mind, I decided to anchor on a little pottery piece that I had bought from India, from a recent trip to India. And I used that to anchor my thoughts and the composition, sorry, and the composition of this painting. That's one thing that I feel personally helps me a lot is that I have a emotion, mostly an emotion tied behind my desire to paint, but I also want to anchor it on something that's structured, composition wise, story wise. And so this piece really helped me a lot. It is unlike anything I've ever done before, and I just am madly, madly in love with this piece. It's just so cheerful, and hopefully you all agree by the time you finish watching this video. So I will let you watch and enjoy. I want to use this piece. It's a sun and a moon, very traditional handicraft from India. It's usually hung over a door. So a field of flowers on the sun side and a starry night on the moon side. That's what I'm going for. I think for the backdrop, I'll use these colors. So let me mix all the colors and then let them sit for a while, and then let's start pouring. I'm going to be doing 3 flip cups for this part of the painting. The smaller one with the purple and Payne's gray is for the bottom, for the shadows of where the flowers will be. And then 2 larger cups with the blue shades of blues and greens and white for the backdrop for the flowers. All right, now I am ready to do the flowers. And for the main flowers, I am using the chains. These are chains with balls in them. I don't even know how to describe them, but I will put a link in my description below. And then I sprinkle them with various colors of paint and then see the magic happen. I love this part. Once I've covered the ball chains with the paint, I want to very gently lift up one chain at a time and lay it on the canvas in a zigzag fashion. And then just gently and very, very slowly pull it off the canvas. The trick I found here is to not look at the flowers as they form, just focus on the exit point of the chain, because that keeps the stem from widening up and spoiling the effect. As I'm doing the balloon kisses, I'm just very, very lightly dabbing the balloon with the paint on it uh, for the smaller flowers. So it's literally just a tapping motion just to give the hint of depth to the field. So the bigger flowers are in front and the smaller ones are just spread across the entire field. Okay, so now that I have this amazing, gorgeous piece that I'm suddenly madly in love with, I want to finish this to add this touch with day and night to tie the two themes. So my goal is, there's a moon that I'm going to paint silver, metallic silver, okay? And then the sun, pretty well distinguished, so I can do this. So that I'm going to paint my gold. It's this gold color. It looks very brownish. It's been through several cycles, but it's gold. So the sun will be gold, and then to brighten the rays, I'm going to do some gold leafing. I've never done it before, so I will practice it before doing it. And I will forward this exercise massively so you guys don't lose interest. And yeah, so let me start painting. Alright, so here is the finished product. It's a burst of sunshine, spring in the air, sun looking gorgeous with its gold leaf, varnish finish, and then on the moon, the dark night, the coverage of purple and black, and then those same dots kind of tying in the story here, so it looks cohesive. How gorgeous do you think this is?